Welcome to Sanctuaries, the channel that brings you the most inspiring stories from around the world. In this episode, we are taking a look at Sanctuaries of Hope, the top 5 animal rescue centers around the world. The sanctuaries are dedicated to rescuing and rehabilitating animals that have been abused, neglected, or abandoned. Their mission is to provide a safe haven for animals in need and to raise awareness about the importance of animal welfare and conservation. From the majestic elephants of Thailand to the rescued carnivores of USA, these centers are making a difference in the lives of countless animals. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the incredible work being done by Sanctuaries. Sanctuaries of Hope, the top 5 animal rescue centers around the world, are places where animals who have been abused, neglected, or abandoned can find a second chance at life. These centers are dedicated to providing care, rehabilitation, and a safe haven for animals in need. Here are the best animal rescue centers in the world. At number 1, we have the Elephant Nature Park in Thailand. This sanctuary provides a home for elephants that have been mistreated in the tourism and logging industries. The park's mission is to educate people about the plight of Asian elephants and offer a humane alternative to the traditional practice of these industries. And number 2, we have the Donkey Sanctuary in the UK. This sanctuary is dedicated to the rescuing and rehabilitating of donkeys and mules. The center also provides education and advocacy on the welfare of these animals. And number 3, we have the Best Friends Animal Sanctuary in the USA. This sanctuary provides a safe haven for animals who have been abandoned, abused, or neglected. The center has a no-kill policy and offers rehabilitation, medical care, and training to help animals find their forever homes. And number 5, we have the David Shadrack Wildlife Trust in Kenya. This sanctuary rescues and rehabilitates orphaned elephants and rhinos. The center also works to raise awareness about the importance of conservation and wildlife protection. And number 5, we have the Wild Animal Sanctuary in the USA. This sanctuary rescues and rehabilitates large carnivores, including lions, tigers, and bears. The center provides a natural habitat for these animals and offers the education on the importance of wildlife conservation. These sanctuaries of hope are just a few examples of the incredible work being done around the world to protect and care for animals in need. Through their dedication and compassion, they are making a difference in the lives of countless animals and inspiring others to do the same. And that's it for today's episode of the Sanctuaries. We hope you enjoyed learning about Sanctuaries of Hope, the top 5 animal rescue centers around the world. These centers are a shining example of the positive impact that can be made when we come together to protect and care for animals in need. We encourage you to learn more about these sanctuaries and work they do and to consider supporting them in any way you can. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our Sanctuaries channel for more inspiring content from around the world on animals.